Push it good, push it born. This. True religion, dick, always dick the unicorn. Told her. Hold on. If you see your friend getting ratchet, if you see your friend getting ratchet, when that bitch drop my nose in the club behind your best friend on iPhone, tell her, I said do it.
That's all it is. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Man, I'm gonna be honest, bro. This, bruh. Ugh. What in the oedipus? Oh my God. These, bruh, I don't know. I don't even know where to start. I would just be honest with you. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Just disgusting. This bitch is twerking on her son, man. What the fuck? I'm gonna be honest with you, man. It be some sick people out here, man. There's some sick people out here. This bitch is disgusting, man. I'm sorry. That is just absolutely disgusting. Trifling. You trifling heifer. What the fuck? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? And then it was like, then people was sharing comments and screenshots of like the comment section where people was literally agreeing with her. Like, you bitches are trifling, man. What the fuck? That's the problem. Look at this. Look at this disgusting toxic shit. It's disgusting. It's just absolutely disgusting. You look at this and it's just like, ugh. This is the shit that motherfuckers want to put on the internet. But you know what? That's why I always disagree with people. Because if it wasn't for the internet, you would never know motherfuckers like this really existed. It's good. It's good. It's good. The internet is good. The internet is exposing people. This is disgusting. This is disgusting. She's sitting there twerking on her son. Look at him. That's a little boy. He's sitting there. He don't know what the fuck going on. But of course he gonna enjoy it. Like, what the fuck is going on? Like, are you serious? This bitch is disgusting, man. Like, I'm gonna be honest, man. It's some real psychological shit that like human beings got going on, man. Like, that's not just some fun, man. You write that off if you want to. That's not just some fun. It's not like ain't no normal woman sitting there twerking on her son like that, grinding on her son and shit like that. What the fuck is wrong with you? Like, that's scary, man. Like, now I'm starting to understand why it's so many dudes that complain about being sexually assaulted. Damn, is it from their mamas? Shit. That is trifling, man. That is trifling, man. I'm sorry, bro. Like, no, I hope they find her and lock her up, man. A lot of good that'll do, I guess. But either way, that's bro, this is bad, man. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is disgusting. This is trifling. This is that savage behavior. This is bad, man. You women that are doing this to y'all kids, man, y'all need to be in jail. Not the kids, man. That's where it go too far, man. Not the kids, man. If you want to sit there and twerk and put your ass out, put your sex videos out, do all that, be grown, do whatever you want, but man, leave them kids out of that, man. It's too far. It's too far. No, that shit is trifling, man. It's too far. It's too far.
J Red on the track.
That's not right, man. It's not right. It's not right. I really hope they find her. I seen on Twitter people was deep diving. They gonna get her. They gonna get her. Y'all fucked up parents that be sitting there smoking with your kid in your arms, all that kind of shit. Newborn infants in your arms, sitting there smoking the weed. No, it's disgusting, man. It's disgusting. That's disgusting, and y'all gonna Y'all wonder why there's so many like hypersexualized guys out here. It's because y'all ratchet ass women sitting there raising these niggas. Raising these hypersexualized niggas that can't control themselves. Don't know how to take no for take no for an answer. We seeing what it is, what happens when these kids are raised in these places where it's not stable. It's disgusting, man. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. And I know that she's not the only one that does that. And God, I ain't never experienced no bullshit like that, man. But that's crazy. That's crazy. Man, that's crazy, man.